We at the Yum Yum buffet, the new buffet on Bush. We're about to try them out. Pricing. It's the buffet. Okay. It looks good. We're gonna test it out.
Let me get a
All right. So me and Ro about to grab us some crab legs. Okay, so they got the Chinese noodles. Ro about to get us some Chinese rice.
I'm trying to find the rice.
About to try the chicken. That's all I got right now, y'all. Y'all know I ain't gonna eat a lot, so I'm trying to taste every little bit of everything. Look at big girl, and ain't even finna eat all this food. Let's see what she do, y'all. Okay, y'all. So me and Ro got our food, so I'm about to try this rice. Rice pretty good. Tastes normal, like shrimp fried rice.
I'm gonna try.
She's gonna try the egg roll. I'm gonna try the crab, y'all. While she's trying the egg roll.
Okay, I've been serving you all tonight. You need anything, just let me know.
What do you think they want to do?
It tastes. It got a taste to it. You know, it got salt in it. I get 7 out of 10. How the egg roll taste? Good. Okay. You say that egg roll tastes good, y'all. So this is real ma'am. No, they cold. For real, this is season. It's pretty good so far.
I'm gonna try the
One of the shrimp.
I'm gonna try the
Ma'am. Of course I couldn't miss it. Of course I couldn't miss your birthday. You can tell it ain't no fried, like it's supposed to be like a fried, but it's alright.
I got a fried one too.
But let me tell you,
My fried one.
this is I don't know how to do it, Auntie.
I put it
You gotta break it like this. Oh, there you go. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to try this one. This the fried blue crab.
Sorry. You want crackers over here? Anybody?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
That's what you need it for.
How much is
Oh, I said no, she did crabs.
That girl love crabs.
$2.99 for each.
That's like $22.99.
Okay, perfect.
Good price.
It's good price.
Yeah. You go to those like takeout stores, you take the order, it's like $20. Right? I said you go to takeout those stores,
Blue
or
crab,
there's something like just one order.
Zero.
it's $10. That's good price.
Not that hard though.
yeah, that's nasty. The blue crabs is nasty. I'm not even touching them.
Very good. Wait, no, please.
Egg roll good.
Okay, me too. That baby ain't playing. Who? That one over there in that corner.
I'm telling you.
Which one? It's rare. They gotta go get the hot dog. They go get the hot dog. I want some. I like the shrimp. They're warm or cold?
It's pretty good.
They're cold.
Them blue crabs ain't no good. I don't like them blue crabs.
She just don't like the
Them blue crabs ain't good at all. Alright, the Chinese part is good. They know what they're doing with that.
Them crabs good.
Yeah, the snow crab's good.
They good. Oh, I ain't never ate this much. I ain't lying.
It's good. I know they can't beat me on my fried chicken, y'all. Let's try the fried chicken.
I'm gonna try
What
the.
the hell is that? See, I told you. I ain't see. I didn't get it.
I'm gonna try the shrimp. Shrimp. That is good.
I get that chicken bottom 7 out of 10.
I just
It's like, oh, what's that? Well, I gotta tell you, I'm gonna have a yard sale.
Wow, what's up?
When I have my yard sale on Saturday, I got a bunch of stuff. Stanker. You gotta come to my house on Saturday when I have my yard sale. So you come get your...
a 5 out of 3. I give it a 5 out of 3.
Yeah, y'all, but them egg rolls fine.
Okay,
Egg roll is
okay.
good.
Well, did they really have some crackers, y'all?
Ain't
They really
good.
have some crackers.
Alright, far as the Chinese part and the snow crabs. Snow crabs good.
Oh, them oysters good.
The tea good. I ain't trying to wash it. I don't eat it. Roti got pizza.
What? Oh.
I give it a 9 out of
9 out of 10. She give it a 9 out of 10. Roti got cold shrimp, y'all. She got nuggets. That girl got love everything. And ain't even gonna eat it.
That's okay. It's okay, we're gonna spend. She gonna.
What is them?
Huh?
What is them?
I don't know what it is.
Oh, these cheese sticks. They're dry.
You see me with my jacket on.
They're dry.
Dry. I give it a 0.
Said she give it a 0.
0 out of 0.
But this bourbon chicken, Like I said, the Chinese part is good.
Chinese rice. A tin with milk. A tin and 12.
Oh, so you really like that rice, huh? And that's what Royalty got a lot of them shrimp thinking it's gonna be good. The Royalty taste them shrimp. Tell me if you like them shrimp. Them,
Oh, baby, they cold. I can't do that.
I think he said if you get it, he'll cook it for you. Yeah.
Jimmy,
Our apartment, yes.
Jimmy,
Yes.
can I have another Michelob, baby?
Really there, huh?
Yeah, y'all.
Y'all got
good.
one? Which one?
This right here good too.
Give my cousin no damn Section 8 water.
This like
Yeah, that's why I told you,
Scooby.
y'all water tastes like Section 8.
Don't say that Section 8, man.
The water tastes like Section 8.
You never heard that?
I hate Section 8 water.
I know you might got my damn hill.
Baby,
Ain't no oysters good. I'm gonna go get this stuff.
come over here. What kind of oyster you got?
You don't want wine?
I don't want no Section 8 water.
y'all looking too hard.
Y'all, I got some raw oysters.
Tell us how that tastes.
Let me get him a jello.
They could not put the lemon out.
Jay, you want a beer?
Okay.
Me too. Get her one
Make
too.
it all true.
Yeah, put that on my tab.
No problem.
Yeah, we is hard to the hole. I represent my town.
Yes.
We see.
Y'all, so y'all got it. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm outside now. So, y'all, she in there.
Oh, okay.
This is where we at. Y'all, I won't be back. Their food is not good. It's not something that I will eat on a daily. For one, I can eat a lot. For two, they crabs is what I wanted. And I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed, y'all. Like, literally. I'm so disappointed. Like, they crabs. The snow crabs. Salty. Oh, they was good. I guess because, like, one of them I ate, it had, like, a little salt taste to it. But I tasted another one. Threw me for a loop. So, I don't know if they put something on it to cover that it was old. But it tasted old. And the blue crabs. I'm getting up in the truck. But the blue crabs, y'all. How you gonna fry some blue crabs and don't clean them? Y'all put that in the comment. Put it in the comments, y'all. Maybe y'all probably know, but I never taste blue crabs unless they clean. Unless they clean. Y'all, I'm so mad. My $50, my $52, I could have kept. I was just getting that food just to get it. Because, baby, I had to pay for it. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Y'all probably tired of me. But I like, that food was so nasty. Like, the Chinese part, like I said, the rice was good. Okay. Kudos. But, the doggone gosh, y'all, I'm so mad. The crabs is what I wanted. I wanted crabs, y'all. How are they gonna mess up the crabs? Like, literally. The snow crabs was, like, literally salty. At first, like, I tried one of them. It was, like, salty. I'm like, okay, it's all right. You know, got a little salt on it. Then I tried another. I'm like, no. Like, it tastes old. And that's all of them. Look the same. And then the blue crabs. What got me? I love fried crabs. You fry a crab, but you ain't clean it, no nothing. Have y'all ever tried that? Have y'all ever did that? Comment down below. I never ate no blue crabs that was fried and wasn't clean. Now, a blue crab that's boiled and wasn't clean, of course I'm going to clean it, then I'm going to wash it, you know what I'm saying? I'm clean it myself. That's what you're supposed to do. But a crab that's fried, I thought it's supposed to already be clean. Like I said, comment down below, y'all, if I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? It just, it wasn't what it was. Yum Yum House, whatever you is, I won't be back. It's a wrap.